Now the next point is object interfaces. What is the meaning of object interfaces? Anybody knows about what are the interfaces? What is the meaning of object interfaces?
To specify what methods of a class.
To specify
What method of a class should implement.
what method a class would implement. Right, right. Great. So, see some theoretical things. Read it. So, the first one, object interfaces allow you to create code which specify which method a class must implement without having to define how these methods are implemented. Okay? Interfaces are defined in the same way as the class, but with the what keyword we will use? Interface.
Interface.
Replacing the class keyword, and without any method having their content defined. We do not define. All methods declared in the interface must be public. This is the nature of the interface. To implement an interface, implements operator is used. Clear? All methods in interface must be implemented within a class. Failure to do so will result in a fatal error. Like if you have an interface and 5 methods you have declared there, and if any class is using implementing that interface, all 5 should be what? Implemented. Classes may implement more than one interfaces if desired by separating each interface by with a comma. So let us see one example here. So here you see what is created this interface template and 2 methods, set variable and get HTML, and both are public,
Public.
right? Now I'm creating another class where I am implementing this one, right? So I'll write implements this interface, and here I will define that set variable and another get variable, get HTML. Clear, guys? So let me write.
Sir, once explain, sir.
Let me write, and it will be more clear. Interfaces.php, right? PHP what I'm doing here, interface template. This is interface. What is the name of interface?
Template.
Template. Then there is a curly braces, same as a class, and I'm declaring 2 functions here, public function set variable, right? One method is this, and we also defining what are the values it's taking, $name and where. Again another method, public function. Suppose that I'm typing a get variable, right? And here I'm typing any, like I'm passing here template. So my interface is now created. Now I'm creating a class. What class? Working template. Working template. Template. How I can use this interface?
Implement.
Implement. What?
Template.
Template. Right? This is the syntax,
Yes.
right? And here, if I'm implementing this, then also I have to define within this class. So I have to write public function set variable, and whatever the parameter I'm taking, name, $var, like this. Clear, guys? Here one array is used, so I can take this one, private vars, private $vars equal to blank array it's taking, right? Just a blank. So what is doing here in set variable? What is doing, if anything coming, it's storing as a key value. So how I write this dollar, this what, where's, I'm putting this as a key, right? And what value I'm giving? This one, right? So this is the one method. Another method is this one. Right? So how to get? I have to get the value na from here, whatever I'm setting. So to get, it's use the for each loop. So for each this one, I'm getting this as dollar, what is the key, name, and then dollar where,
Right.
and I can, it's my choice what it's doing. It's just appending, so it's my choice what I want to do. So right now it's just str replace name value, replace in this string, taking this string replace. This is the string, within that it's finding and replacing by this one, or searching this. What is doing? You can tell this str replace what doing? you can do anything. It's not like whatever it's doing. Just you can say like here it taken one variable. So I'm also taking template or values equal to suppose that it's just appending. Where and finally I'm returning what these values. So you see, this logic can be anything. It's not restricted to the example I am giving. Only idea is that if my interface has two methods here, I have to also, wherever I'm using, I have to what? What I have to do? Guys, what I have to do? Define na. I'm not getting any acknowledgement, guys. Am I audible or not?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, audible.
Sir.
So I'm creating an object here and then calling this method. What method? Set variable. First I'm passing 1 and then passing test, right? Then I'm where dump get variables. I'm calling, right? Here suppose that I'm passing one more value to test 2. Working template. Where is the working? Okay. I have to pass here template. What template we have to pass? What is the template? So I'm just without passing. I'm not passing anything. Why I should pass? That is different example. You see what is happening here. Can anyone tell me what is happening? One? Anybody? You see what is happening here? Tell me. Guys, surprise gift from my side by end of this session when if you answer this question. What is happening here? Fast.
Sir, you did not assign the values to that this.
No, I'm already getting response, man. I'm asking what is happening. Already working, not an issue. Only thing I'm asking, what is the out, what exactly this code is doing? So first, what is happening here? If I'm passing any value here, it's adding in this array, na? At this index,
No.
Yes, sir.
this will treat as this will be become index and this will become value. The number of times I'll call, all this value will be keep added this one. Object is same, I'm keep adding the values. So I can add multiple values in an object. If I'm creating an array, I can add multiple values.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I have added multiple values from here. Now get variable, I am now printing all the values. I have another variable values and I'm keep appending here. You see, this value is equal to whatever the looping through two values I have added, test1, test2. See, it's appending now returning. When I'm calling this one, get variable, so it will returning finally appending the values whatever I'm passed.
Yes, sir.
And that's why you see this now. Test1 and test2. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Great. So any confusion in understanding these interfaces? So should we move forward or
So, what is the purpose of using these interfaces?
here we are forcing like we have created a template and I am telling a class you have to mandatorily implement these ones, either you are not able to do anything. So little different from abstraction that was a class. I can also define some methods there in abstraction, right?
Yes, sir. Some
But-
methods can be different.
Yeah, but here there will be some situation that it's mandatory that whenever such type of class you are creating, it's mandatory to implement this interface. Implement this two methods should be there, or three methods should be there in any class in your project. Got my point? So this way you are stopping something missing up or something messed up, right? Suppose today you are developing a project, right? If interfaces are already prepared, some new developer is coming, when we start to write the new class, you will see that this interface is there and these two methods are mandatory to declare, to define in the new class. Without writing these two methods, my class is not going to complete. So in that scenario, you have to use this template or interface. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
So it's like making your code foolproof. Nothing should be happen something unwanted, and something not less than that and not more than that. More than that, it's your choice, but at least these two methods should be always.
So these two methods means set variable and get variable.
Yeah, suppose uh, you are creating a class, right? And lots of things are happening, but you want whatever the um, in every class a particular function should be always written. Those that function should be there. If someone is writing a new class and that is missing, that is not going to help your purpose, right? So
Yes, sir.
how will make sure that that function should be always written in each and every class? How will make sure? How will make sure this method should be defined in each and every class? Whatever the new class will create, that method is needed in each and every class. How will make sure?
By the
By
use of
creating the function in interface.
Yes, by declaring that method in the interface, and always there will be thumb rule that I'll have to implement this interface in this class. Clear, guys? Clear or still confusion? Let us say another examples here. So also there is something, interfaces are also expandable. Like there is a interface A and method is this. I can create another interface which is B. So this will include also this method, this one.
Yes, sir.
So interfaces are extendable. So if you're creating a class C implements B, so you have to define both the methods, right? In this class,
Yes, sir.
this one is clear now.
Yes, sir. Now understood.
Now multiple interface inheritance. So if you interface this one, interface, so C, and also you are using extending A and B for this interface. Extending, here I have extended one, I am extending A and B, means both these functions are also included in interface
C.
C. So if I'm defining a function here, sorry, class D, and implementing C, then what are the function I have to define this in this class? All or
All. Yes, sir.
all?
All three.
So this is the multiple interface inheritance. So clear, guys?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
so you all have to practice this one. As much you will practice, you will understand much. So I'm not going to continue next topic because I know this is the long day for us, and I'll send one assignment also. So please make sure and keep working on those, guys. I know this is very long day and give few days we understanding new thing. But from probably next week, probably by Wednesday or Thursday, when we start to work with the frameworks, you should be prepared yourself by these concepts. Now from there we'll start to work on actual implementation of these things, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear? All set?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, guys, for listening so patiently, and